Okay, it's time to do a short video on the eBay standard envelope and Etsy letter tracking analysis. How did they do from last month? How are they doing going forward? eBay did a little bit better on some scans and did worse on others, but did show some improvement. I would say overall there was a little bit of improvement on eBay, but Etsy last month was like 15%. They missed a lot of scans. I mean, it was not really even trackable, but this month they did very well. Now remember how this works, and here's the little chart I did and the little spiel about how it works. Here is a slide I'm going to bring up on the big screen. This is just the process in my head on there, not real detailed, layman terms. I don't know how everything works with this, but there are so many different ways to do it. But in a nutshell, this should explain to anybody how it works. So the first box there is you got eBay and Etsy platform. They're connected across multiple data centers and stuff like that. They're not in the same one. That's why it's got the dotted line there. They're two separate companies, two separate platforms, two separate programs, applications, and stuff like that. They're not shared. But I just put them in a box to make it easier. When someone buys a postcard from either eBay or Etsy, it goes to the post office. The post office then sends data to eBay or Etsy in some way, format, a file, web services, some integration is going to go up and going to come down. Either eBay and Etsy picks it up or directly goes into those platforms if they have shared access. So that's your scans. When it hits the post office, it goes back and forth into the tracking on eBay and Etsy. If everything is successful with the delivery, and then you got a happy customer like at the end here. Even though the scans are not happening, most of the time the customer gets the card and they're happy. I hope that helps you understand. It's a very basic picture, but it should give you an understanding how things work. There's a lot of pieces to the puzzle. I don't know exactly how it all works, but in a big picture, that's what it does. But let's get into the meat of the data here. So on eBay, I tracked 100 random mailings. I just went through all my solds and picked out 100. And here's what I got right here. Now remember, what's in red is anything less than the number of labels I created. It's going to show red there. So we do still have some improvement areas for eBay because a lot of these are red. So the created scan is when I create the label, and that's always 100% because I have control of it and I create the label. So that's the base. So 100, I checked 100 random mailings and I got 100 created. So that's going to be 100% all the time. The origin scan is where it went to the first sorting center. That's 88%. So minus 12. They missed 12 scans out of 100, and that actually improved over last month, which was about 84%. So origin scan was an improvement. Now remember, eBay standard envelope does not require an acceptance scan like packages. It just needs a scan somewhere in the journey of that package at the sorting center on there. Just one scan somewhere. You take these envelopes to the post office and ask them to scan them, they're going to look at you like they're crazy. They can't. The sorting machines, the machines are what scans these. The next one is the destination scan, or the in-transit scan. The destination scan actually went down from 87% down to about 84%. They missed 16 destination scans. Out for delivery actually improved. They had 82%, only missed 18% of the scans. Not a big improvement, about 82% to 83%. And then the all-important delivered scan. That one actually got worse. That one went from 85% down to 82%. They missed 18 delivered scans out of 100. Not doing well there. The scans for this month, the no scans at all, was only 6, so it's 6%. Last month I believe it was 9%. So there was improvement. So they're showing little improvement here and there. I still think they should be 100% on everything, and that's the goal, is to get as close to 100% on everything. There's no reason why not. If they keep chipping away at it, there should be, every one of these should have 100% to the created label. Now with Etsy, last month Etsy was very bad. It was only 15% across the board basically of all the scans. I couldn't even calculate the longest days, the shortest day, or the average day of mailing because there was just nothing there. There was just no scans. Like out of 35, it was horrible. Like 85% of things didn't get a scan. But this month, I was able to pull 21 random mailings on Etsy. Now I did sell more cards than 21. I had some very large order on Etsy. It's a lot of combined orders. But for the tracking, I could only pull 21 as a time of me pulling the data. The created is 100%. That's when I created a label. It is the same type of barcode that eBay standard envelope uses, LetterTrack uses, the whole work. This is the same process. It's eBay isn't delivering your mail, and eBay isn't doing. This is a option that the post office gives these companies to use. It's been around for a long time. It's just that they kind of eBay's figured out do that, and Etsy uses it. The origin scan on Etsy was 86%. They only missed 3 origin scans. Now remember, for the Star Seller program, which is like the top rated seller program in eBay, it just needs a tracking number. It doesn't need a scan. So you just got to put a tracking number into your listing, your shipping. Destination scan on Etsy, 95%. They only missed 1 out of the 21 mailings. 1. That is very good. Then the out for delivery, when it's actually said out for delivery in the tracking, 100%. They didn't miss any of those scans out of the 21. Delivered scan, the important delivered scan, 100% delivered. So that means I didn't get any emails from customers. I don't remember getting any emails in May from customers saying, where's my package? Or no tracking, etc. The no scan, every out of the 21 of them have gotten a scan somewhere, so they had 0 missed scans, no scans in May. The average days on Etsy for the mail was 3, shortest day was 3, and the longest day was 5. Still in the parameters of the post office. The no scans, 0. So Etsy, everything improved from 15%. If you look at this chart here, everything is up in the above 80%, moving toward the 100%. So Etsy made a great leap from last month. Maybe they had a system issue or whatever, but they're actually doing better than eBay this month. But every month I'm going to track eBay and Etsy standard envelope out of my data from their systems, eBay and Etsy, on the tracking, and put them in these charts. So we're going to be able to see with these charts if it gets better or it's getting worse. But I appreciate you watching this video. And make sure you subscribe so you know when you get these updates and any other videos I put out there. Good luck out there, and I'll catch you on the next one.